Wincrease, what is going on? Today is November 13th, 2020. The market is officially closed and we are approaching new highs. Who would have thought? Oh, I know who. Me. I would have thought. So for the past 2 months, we've been tracking the S&P and IWM. And this is nothing miraculous at all. We've just been doing the same exact exercise every single week, right? So here we are, and the market is near new highs. Not at new highs, but near new highs. And what I've predicted is that the Russell will be the leader. So let's take a look and let's jump right into this. So the first chart that you see right now is the S&P. So like I said, for the past 2 months, we've been tracking this. The S&P is approaching new highs. We hit it, it faded off, it did not go down too far, and now we're still hovering near those highs. So what you see here, we got a couple of things going on. We cannot ignore the other side of the trade, okay? The other side of the trade is the potential triple top, all right? So we have 1, 2, 3, all right? So we have 3 hits at this resistance level. It could potentially fall, but I'm actually looking to see this continue higher. And the reason being is because it has been hanging around that high. So we have some momentum in our favor. So that is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell. So here is the Russell. And what I looked at last week was looking for it to continue to remain above 170, and it has done just that. It made its high, backed off, and did the same exact thing where it hung out around that 170 area. So I actually am looking forward to this going back up to test its highs and create new ones. So that's it. That's as easy as it's ever going to be. That wraps up this week's market analysis. Don't forget to check out my boys Cam and Kenny every single Sunday on Marathon Money. Don't forget my podcast is coming soon. And if you got any questions, make sure you hit me up. That's wincrease20@gmail.com. You can hit me up on any social media. That's going to be Twitter, Stock Twits, Facebook, anywhere. And it's going to be at Wincrease Team. So until then, I'll catch you later. Peace.